just got to Nate's house and we're actually gonna leave right now. It's about 4:30 and we're heading up to Buttonwillow. Shouldn't be too bad of a drive. I think it's like 2 hours, 19 minutes, something like that. But we got my car right here, looking good. We got Art's car back there, the GTI, fresh. And we got Spencer's car up here. He's ready, he's got the stickers and everything. I don't even have stickers yet. He's got his tow hooks on. He's got his track pads on. Looking good. So this morning I installed the track pads. I had them on, but I had to do a little fix to them because I didn't compress the caliper. You would have saw that in my last video if you watched it. Topped it off with oil. That's about it. It didn't really need anything else. And then I just got this helmet. Fat just let me borrow his helmet. It's really small, but I'm gonna have to make it work. I don't have a Hans device, but thank you, Fat, if you're watching this. Woo! It's cold this morning. It's like 37 degrees. Look at my car. It's all frosty. But we're warming up our cars right now. We're gonna go get gas and then head to the track so we can do registration, and we gotta do the driver's meeting, stuff like that. This is all stuff I didn't have to do last time because it was just an open test day, but we gotta do it this time.
All right, what would you do?
We just got some drinks, some food, like snacks, and I gotta put Buttonwillow in my maps, texting and driving. Buttonwillow Raceway Park, there we go.
Top one? Yeah.
Alright, we're pulling up right now. Getting excited, dude. And the sunrise is really nice. What's up, Nate?
I'm tired.
Yeah, same.
Look at this racer.
Taking a look at the track. Dude, it's so cold out. My hands, look at my hands. Red as hell. I think I'm gonna get frostbite. Some of the cars already started. I think it's like the advanced groups. You can hear them in the background. There's some loud ass cars here. I think our driver's meeting is at like 9:10. It's like it's 8:20 right now. So yeah, we got about 40 minutes and then we go on right after it. So yeah, it's gonna be a good time. I'm really excited, but it sucks that we have to kind of wait. Look at this Cayman. What's up? Going in the fast group.
Yeah?
It's in fast group.
You guys might not be able to see him, but me and Nate over here on the sidelines. Parker started. We had a couple cars, and he's passing. He's passed like 2 or 3 cars already. He's doing pretty good. What do you think?
Yeah, honestly, in the beginning, he already caught up to the first guy, and then after that, like, just started passing it one after another.
They were Mini Coopers, but
a car's a car.
a car's a car.
That one, the one he passed was 1,000 horsepower.
No, but he's like actively passing people, so he's doing pretty good. This is his first session today.
Oh, there he goes.
Here he is. So he's passing another person. Oh no, he's not.
He has to pass this GT. Oh, look, he's laying on pass.
Yeah, there you go. He's passing. There you go. He just passed that loud Mustang. That's like the 3rd, 4th car we've seen him pass. 4th car.
So I didn't time any of those because I just want to get familiar with the track, but then I found myself out front and I had nobody in front of me, so I should have timed it, but I'm gonna time the next one. The only downside is that that first one, it's really cool out right now, and next one's at like 12, so it is gonna be a little bit warmer, but hopefully the conditions are still similar, somewhat similar. Did the second session like a little bit ago, and it was not great. I was stuck in traffic most of the way. What?
You go, I just did a session, it was not great.
That's facts. Yeah, I ran a 211 stuck in traffic, so I guess that's decent for being stuck behind like 4 cars that wouldn't really let me pass too much. Kind of annoying to deal with that because I expected to run something a lot faster, but I just didn't get the room to piece together like a full clean lap without people in front of me. So I'm going out the 3rd session, and this is gonna be our final session because I think Spencer's done since he has street tires on his car and they're not performing great, so he's gonna call it a day because he got his time. He hit a 208, which he's super happy with.
Very happy with that. Feel accomplished. Now we go back to the drawing board, look at the data, and get tires.
He hit his goal and I haven't, so I'm a little annoyed, but that's how these track days go. Like, unless it's like an open track day or a minimal like amount of cars out there, it's really hard to get a clean lap. Yeah, people's etiquette in these groups are just it's not very good. People will signal you to pass and then stay floored, so it's like really hard to pass even on a straight. But we're gonna go try again. So next clip I may be really stoked. Right now I'm not super happy with it. Alright, we just got back from the 3rd session. We got black flag because George was recording with his phone. All for you guys and Instagram. That's the sacrifice we make. But I did hit a 206, which felt really good. I wanted a 205 today, that was kind of the goal. But I don't know. I don't know if it's... I think my braking points need a lot of work. I think I could brake a lot later, but I just don't have like insane confidence in these brakes that they're gonna brake exactly the same every single corner. And also these tires, they are just super squirmy, so even with like half throttle on a lot of corners, they're the rear is stepping out, and then I'm also getting understeer on certain corners where it almost doesn't feel like there should be understeer. I'm happy with the 206 though. It's not terrible, but it's not the 205 that I wanted. But I think we're gonna pack it up. There is another session, but we're kind of done for today. So George rode with me.
Yeah, I did.
So how does it compare to the F80, like the difference in the feel?
You know, like, so the F80 is smooth.
Yeah.
It's like luxury. And so like the F80 is smooth, super smooth.
Super smooth?
Like you don't really feel the bumps as much.
Yeah.
And when he slides, it's just so controlled because he has the comfort steering.
Yeah.
Whereas in your car, your bumps, I feel the bumps more.
Yeah.
Like there's so much, right when you hit the bump, like you feel it, but it's more analog.
Yeah.
I kind of like the E46.
If you feel everything through the steering wheel, which is awesome. You can feel, like, did you see on, you guys will be able to see it on the hot lap that we got on the GoPro, but basically on that long sweeper section where you're in like 4th gear, like middle of 4th gear, I'm constantly chopping at the wheel to kind of feel the I don't know, grip of the front tires. So yeah, I feel like that's one of the advantages of the E46. Nate, you didn't get like a super hot lap in my car, but
no.
What'd you say? How would you compare the E46 to the F80?
Okay, like I think one word.
Oh.
Oh, that's just a
Hey.
Let me grab that real quick.
Oh.
One word, definitely raw. You feel everything in your car.
Yeah.
And stability wise, that car is very stable, especially with the bumps and everything.
Yeah.
But I don't know, like they both have like their own attributes. So
Yeah.
It's hard to really see like one's better than the other.
But they're super different. That's like all I'm trying to like say.
Yeah. No, they're super different.
Yeah, they're way different from each other. Yeah, so that was a good time. I'm glad I got the 206 at least. It's no 205, but we'll come back at some point. Maybe I'll get bigger tires and bigger wheels because I think that's what's kind of limiting me right now. Alright, so I'm gonna let George drive because I've been driving all day and I drove yesterday. So you guys got full reins of the beast.
I'll take some stress out of your hands.
If anything, it gives me more stress. He made a good point. I basically just beat her on track, like really smashed this car, and now he's the nice guy. The girls that are all messed up in the head, they come to George for support.
I'm gonna treat her right.
Shit.
I'm gonna treat her right.
I hope so.
I'm gonna treat her right. See that?
This fool thinks he's a race car driver now. You give him an M3. Damn. Well, we got like another, I think 2 hours. I haven't even mapped it out yet. We just got back to Nate's and we're about to play the sim. We're doing a 24-hour race on the Nürburgring.
No, we're not.
What?
I'm going to sleep.
Oh, okay. Okay, maybe tomorrow. No, we just got back to Nate's. I gotta drive home. If you like this video,
subscribe. What are you guys doing? Why the hell haven't you pressed subscribe yet?
Whoa, this
Press
guy's
subscribe.
aggressive.
Jeez.
Leave me a comment, down below if you think my time was good or if it was just ass. I'll read them. I'll read them all. So let me know, and then definitely subscribe because we're gonna do more of these track videos, maybe in a month or two, a couple months. But yeah, I was pretty happy with that result. So I'll see you guys in the next video.